Which brake bleeder is actually good? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit deeper to find the right one. Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 options that can save you time and frustration. Product number 1, Orion Motor Tech Brake Bleeder Kit. First up, we have the Orion Motor Tech Brake Bleeder Kit with a hand vacuum pump and adapters. Priced at $20.99, this kit caught my attention because it's a bestseller with over 3,800 reviews. If you want a reliable, one-person brake bleeding solution, this is worth a serious look. So, here's why this product solves your problem. The handheld vacuum pump lets you bleed brakes without needing a buddy to pump the pedal. You can actually get the job done on each wheel in under 5 minutes, which is a huge time saver. Plus, it's made from durable aluminum alloy and features premium PVC tubes that ensure a secure seal. With over 3,000 units sold last month, it's clear that many people trust this product. Now, some users mentioned that the instructions could be a bit clearer. But here's the thing. Once you figure it out, the ease of use outweighs that frustration. If you're someone who frequently works on cars, you'll appreciate the time saved. This is perfect for DIY mechanics who want efficiency and reliability without breaking the bank. Skip this if you prefer a more professional setup, but at this price point, it's hard to beat the value. Product number 2, Orion Motor Tech Hand Pump Brake Bleeder. Next, we have another winner from Orion Motor Tech, a hand pump brake bleeder kit priced the same at $20.99. This one also boasts a 4-star rating with similar glowing feedback, which makes it stand out. If you're looking for versatility, this is definitely worth a look. What caught my eye is that this kit works with nearly any vehicle's hydraulic system, letting you bleed brakes or clutches by yourself in under 5 minutes. It's constructed from high-grade aluminum alloy, so it's built to last. The silicone tubes are another plus, providing superior sealing compared to standard options. Given its popularity, with over 900 sold this month, it's clearly making waves in the market. However, some reviews pointed out that the suction can weaken over time. But honestly, if you're careful with the maintenance, this should last you quite a while. This is perfect for anyone who enjoys working on their own vehicles and wants a reliable tool without needing extra hands. If you're aiming for a pro-level kit and don't want to compromise on quality, this could be ideal. Product number 3, Backseat Brake Bleeder Hose. Kicking it to a more budget-friendly option, we have the Backseat Brake Bleeder Hose for just $7.30. With a 4.5-star rating and 1,700 reviews, this simple tool really caught my attention. If you want an affordable way to bleed your motorcycle clutch or brake lines, this is a solid choice. This kit features an aluminum body that resists corrosion and a one-way check valve to prevent air from entering the system. It's incredibly easy to connect, which is perfect for quick jobs. Users have found it effective for fast bleeding, which is what you want when time is of the essence. The price and performance have drawn in about 900 buyers this month alone. However, some people noted that it's not the most durable option for heavy use. But here's the thing. For the casual user or someone who needs it for occasional maintenance, this is a great, low-cost solution. This is perfect for motorcycle owners who need a quick and easy way to maintain their brakes. Skip this if you're looking for something heavy-duty, though. Product number 4, Zero Gull 2-in-1 Brake Bleeder Kit. Now, let's talk about the Zero Gull 2-in-1 Brake Bleeder Kit, which comes in at $15.95. With a 4.1-star rating from around 1,000 reviews, this one piqued my interest. If you want versatility in testing various automotive systems, this is worth your attention. This kit includes a vacuum gauge for taking accurate readings, which is crucial for diagnostics. It can handle air, oil, and even power steering fluid without a hitch. The fact that you can operate it solo is a major plus. Given its price and the positive feedback, it's become a favorite among DIY enthusiasts. That said, some users mention the case could be a bit flimsy. But honestly, as long as you handle it gently, it should serve you well. This is perfect for hobbyists looking for a multi-purpose kit that won't break the bank. If you want top-notch durability and professional-grade tools, this might not be the best fit. Product number 5, Bilitool's 3L Vacuum Brake Bleeder Kit. Last but not least, we have the Bilitool's 3L Vacuum Brake Bleeder Kit. priced at $59.84. With a 4.3-star rating from 1,100 reviews, this is a more professional setup. If you want a serious upgrade for your garage, this kit is worth considering. This tool connects to an air compressor, allowing for one-person brake bleeding without the hassle of pumping pedals. It operates between 70 to 170 psi, which gives you stable results, and it has a 3L tank for fewer interruptions during fluid changes. This means less mess and faster work, which is ideal for anyone dealing with multiple vehicles. Its compatibility with ABS systems is a big bonus. However, it is pricier than the others, and some users feel it's overkill for casual use. But if you're a serious DIYer or a professional, the efficiency and quality will definitely pay off. This is perfect for professionals or serious DIY mechanics who need a reliable, high-capacity option. Skip this if you just need a simple tool for occasional use, as it might be more than you need. So, to wrap it all up, we've got the Orion Motor Tech options for budget-friendly reliability, the Baxi for a simple, effective solution, the Zero Gull for versatility, and the Billetools for those who demand excellence. Each has its strengths, so think about what fits your needs best. Happy bleeding!